Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to connect Pixelverse to Binance Wallet. So let's get started. So here we are in Pixelverse, and from here let's launch the bot. And then here we are on our account, and to connect into our Binance account, all you have to do is tap on the wallet button at the top. So tap on that. And from here, tap on Binance and tap on yes, I have it if you already have a Binance account. If not, then you can create an account from here by tapping on the create an account button. But since I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on yes, I have it. And then we would need a USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive tokens. So we are gonna go into Binance and get that code right here. So from here in Binance, what we're gonna do is we are gonna go into tap our Binance icon at the top left right here. So tap on that, and then from here you want to tap on deposit, and then from here you want to go for search coins and USDT, since this is what we want right here for the Pixelverse. And then from here you want to select the ERC20, since this is what is required. Tap on that, and now you have your address right here. You want to copy it to clipboard, and then you want to go back into your Pixelverse deposit address and then paste it right here and tap on made it. And then there we have it. So let's just wait for that one to load. And then as you can see, your wallet is now connected successfully. So yeah, that is basically how you can connect Pixelverse wallet into your Binance wallet right here. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.